My knees feel great. How about yours? Or better yet, your patients? Now, did you know that there are over 600,000 people that undergo knee replacement surgery every year in the United States, with an average cost of almost $20,000? Now, I have clients that use stem cell injections for knees. They're making millions yearly, and they charge much less than that. But are stem cells genuinely effective in treating knee arthritis based on scientific research, or is it simply a placebo? Hi, I'm Dr. Ross Carter with the Regenerative Warrior Show, bringing you the best ways for medical professionals to market, manage, and magnify their practice. In this episode, I'm going to reveal if stem cells scientifically help knee arthritis. I will also show you an awesome way to legally give yourself a 50% tax savings that you've never heard of. I will also show you some ways to help boost your patient volume. And finally, our special guest today is Dr. Henri de Grey. He is a biomedical gerontologist and the Chief Science Officer of SINS Research Foundation. And he answers the questions for us. Have we really finally discovered a solution to the aging process? So we have a great show this week, so stay tuned.
Harder, harder, faster, faster, stronger, stronger, future, future.
They keep telling me that I make them stronger. Epigenetics I change so they can feel much younger. When it comes to health, I'm the great restorer. Lives improve daily because I'm a regenerative warrior.
If you know anything about me, you'll know that I'm a huge advocate for the incredible healing power of stem cells. Now, there's one treatment in particular called the autologous mesenchymal stem cell treatment, which has been making waves in the treatment of osteoarthritis. Now, osteoarthritis occurs as a natural part of the aging process. It's basically joint degeneration due to the loss of the cartilage that cushions the bones. Now, stem cells are special cells with the ability to develop into all kinds of different cells. One of their most powerful properties is their ability to teach other cells how to heal themselves. Mesenchymal stem cells, or MSCs in particular, release anti-inflammatory factors that help heal and lessen pain. And that's why injecting them into inflamed and damaged joints may be so beneficial. But what does science actually have to say about it? Well, an analysis of all the available studies, which is 45 in total, was recently published in the U.S. National Center for Biotechnology Information website. Now, it looked at the results of patients after 6 months, 15 months, and 2 years from receiving a stem cell treatment for knee osteoarthritis. And what was the result? Well, all the patients showed significant and continued improvement at every stage. The researchers concluded that stem cell treatments should be widely adopted for the treatment of osteoarthritis. Now, this is great news for the tens of millions of people who are worldwide that suffer from osteoarthritis. And as an added benefit, these treatments have an excellent safety profile and avoid all those risks associated with invasive surgery. If you'd like to learn more about adding regenerative therapies like stem cells to your practice, make sure to check out my website at drrosscarter.com. There you can get in touch with me personally. Up next, legally give yourself a 50% tax savings that you've never heard of. Sorry for the interruption, but the rest of this content is for our members only. Simply go to tryrws.com. That's tryregenerativewarriorshow.com. And there you'll be able to sign up and watch all the episodes.